Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're kicking off the iHeart Fall series with episode number 13. So if you guys are new to my channel, this is basically a series filled with different fall inspirations from decor to recipes to fashion. But today I'm going to take you guys through an entire day of how I get ready for the fall time. I mentioned a few videos ago how I started developing an allergy to a lot of scented candles. I don't know what it is, and it's mainly the Bath & Body Works candles. So I've been doing different things to make the house smell good. And one of them was actually this little trick that my mom taught me. Basically just cut up a few apples and add a few cinnamon sticks and then bring that up to a boil. And then once your water is boiling, bring it down to a simmer and just let that simmer on the stove the entire day. I did add just a few little pieces of orange peel to add a little bit of citrus to the aroma. And if you wash your apples really good at the end, once all that liquid is absorbed, you can actually turn this into applesauce. Another thing that I've been doing is using these cleaning sprays. These seriously smell so good. If you're wondering what my house smells like, this is what it smells like, the Rosewater Driftwood. It's a floral and woodsy scent, so it is a little bit warmer. Even though it does have roses in it, you are going to get a lot of that wood undertone. It smells amazing. And this one's more like an earthy scent, but I thought I'd mention it in case any of you guys watching don't like really fruity or really floral stuff. This would be a really good choice for you guys. And also I ordered a few extra ones because I want to give one of you guys a chance to win a total of 4 of my favorite scents. And definitely check the info box. I will have all of the rules for the giveaway down below. The next step to get in total fall mood is to make a fall drink. So I actually switched my creamer over to this cinnamon cream. It tastes so good. If you guys like cinnamon, try this. And I'm doing the cold brew coffee from Trader Joe's. I'm just mixing that with ice and the creamer. And then I'm adding just a dash of pumpkin pie spice to it. And you have a super easy drink that is perfect for transitioning into the fall, because I know in some places it's not quite cold yet. So a cold coffee with like fall flavors is the perfect thing right now. So I'm actually putting together a beautiful tablescape because we are planning on having Thanksgiving at our house. I'll show you guys what I have so far at the end of the video, but I wanted these little pumpkins that I found at Hobby Lobby, but I didn't like the color, so I went ahead and just painted them with some acrylic paint. Aren't these pumpkins beautiful though? Once you paint them, they look completely different. I love how the leaves have almost like an ombre effect. They do have a little bit of like blush in them and some light green and a little bit of brown, and then I love the little fuzzy leaves as well. Another thing that excites me about fall time is fall fashion. I do like to put my seasonal stuff away, so like my chunky scarves, my sweaters, and this is the day when I like to take everything out, and it just kind of gets me inspired for fall fashion. I honestly cannot pick between fall fashion and fall decor though. It's so much fun going through seasonal decor. You just find so many little treasures that you've collected over the years. Like this pumpkin, I call this my Cinderella pumpkin. I picked this one up 3 years ago. This one is my little rose pumpkin. I actually found this one last year. And this one is probably my favorite one. And this one is from 2 years ago, and I got this one from Z Gallery. So this year I did pick up a new throw from Home Goods. I thought this one was just absolutely precious, and it was under like $16, so affordable. And then I also found these plaid pillows at Home Goods. So I went ahead and put those in the little toy basket that I used to keep Sebastian's toys in. And then I also added these little plush pumpkins that I found at Hobby Lobby. And aren't they simply adorable? I'm obsessed with them. I think they're so cute. And I just put that next to the fireplace. And then this is the pumpkin that I got this year. It's so gorgeous. It's got like a like a blush tone with like gold drippings on it, and I picked this one up at HomeGoods this year. And then the second plaid pillow, I put that in the chair that's kind of next to the fireplace. So it kind of just ties the whole thing together. And then I added a little wreath that I picked up a few years ago, also from HomeGoods, on top of the fireplace. I just thought it looked really cute there. It's always a little bittersweet taking down the summer and spring decor because it's always so colorful and bright. But it's definitely a nice change to have the warmer and softer tones for the fall and winter months. So I found this beautiful arrangement at HomeGoods. It's a candle holder, so I really like that it's just one large piece and it takes up the whole table, and it kind of adds a little bit of ambiance with the faux candles. So I did just shop my home. I actually went into my bedroom and got these big fluffy pillows and used them in the living room, and I think they look really nice. So when I switched them, I was actually inspired to change the coffee table to this setup. Let me know which setup you guys like better. I feel like this one kind of goes a little bit more with a theme than the other one did. So moving on to the kitchen, I am using these DIY candles that I made last year, and then also a pumpkin, and I just kind of decorated one side of the counter with that. And then I added some little twinkle lights. I thought it looked really cute and inviting. I also wanted to decorate the other side of the stove because, as you can tell, it's super bare. So I had these flowers left over from a wreath that I made last year. And I also found this little wooden block from HomeGoods. And also this pumpkin, I really like it because it's wood and it does have a little bit of gold, which totally matches my kitchen. And then I also had an extra one of those DIY tea lights. So I went ahead and just laid everything out. I really like how the flowers looked in my utensil holder. It just added a little bit something extra. I also wanted to add a little bit more green to kind of balance out all of the white in the kitchen. And this wreath is so pretty. I found it at Hobby Lobby. And I like it because I feel like it's going to look really good during Christmas as well. I kept the island pretty simple. I found this candle holder at HomeGoods that has little pumpkins. It also has that blush tone that I'm really loving, and then a little bit of green. And then to the coffee station, I added my bling pumpkin that I absolutely love, and then this little tea holder that I just recently found at HomeGoods as well. It kind of matches the snack and cookie jars that I had on my other counter. I just think they're absolutely precious. So I told you guys that I'm still working on my tablescape, but I wanted to show you guys how the painted pumpkins turned out and also what I ended up doing with my rose pumpkin. So this is the setup that I have right now. I used lamb's ear garland to kind of drape around the pumpkins, and then I just added a bunch of little tiny pumpkins on the side. Definitely be on the lookout for my next fall video. I will show you guys what my finished tablescape with the dishes and napkins and everything is going to look like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new to my channel, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.